Hello student, welcome to Bal Gopal online classes. My name is Geeta Jaiswal. Today topic is subject and predicate part 2. In part 2, I will teach you about predicate and its part. What is predicate and how many parts are predicate? Student, I taught you subject and its part in the previous video. If you have not seen my previous video, you can see it in the description box and I button. Let us start. What is predicate? What we say about the subject is called predicate. हम जो सब्जेक्ट के बारे में बात करते हैं उसे हम predicate मीन्स विधेय कहते हैं. Example, Sita sang a song. What we say about him in this sentence? We say about Sita. So Sita is subject. Sang a song is predicate. In this sentence, predicate has two parts. Sang means transitive verb. A song is object means predicate. So there is two parts in predicate. Sang and a song. Example second. Ram told a story. Ram is subject. Told a verb means transitive verb. A story is object. So we see in this example there is two parts of predicate. Told is verb. A story is predicate means object. So we say about Ram. What Ram say? Ram told a story. So told is verb and story is object means predicate. Part of predicate. There are many parts of predicate like subject. In this part, we say about something about subject. Transitive verb is the main part of predicate. We use many words means verb, object, complement, etc. Example, I write a letter. In this sentence, there is three words used. I write a letter. I is subject, write a letter. Write is verb, means transitive verb. A letter हो गया आपका predicate, means object. So there is two parts of subject. Write a letter. Example second. We eat mango. There is also two parts predicate, eat and mango. It is verb, mango is predicate. In this example, write and eat complete their meaning with the help of letter and mangoes. So letter and mangoes is object means predicate, and eat and write each verb means transitive verb. So there is two part of predicate, write and eat. Write help the letter and eat help the mangoes. Rule number 1. In rule number 1, subject has only one part, predicate also has only one part. And there is two parts, subject and predicate. Example, boys runs. Second example, dog barks. So, runs and bark is intransitive verb. Because intransitive verb does not require any object to complete its sense but make good sense itself. is called predicate, means intransitive verb. What is intransitive verb? It is also the part of predicate. It completes its meaning itself. intransitive verb में किसी ऑब्जेक्ट की आवश्यकता नहीं होती है, ये अपने आप में अपने अर्थ को पूर्ण करता है. As you see in the example, boys runs. Boys runs में दोनों यानी boys runs ये अपने अर्थ को कंप्लीट कर रहा है, इसे किसी ऑब्जेक्ट की आवश्यकता नहीं है. सेकेंड एग्जाम्पल था डॉग barks. It is complete itself. इसमें किसी भी ऑब्जेक्ट की आवश्यकता नहीं है, ये अपने आप में अपने अर्थ को पूर्ण करता है. मतलब इंट्रांजिटिव वर्ब में किसी ऑब्जेक्ट की आवश्यकता नहीं होती है, ये अपने ही सब्जेक्ट और प्रेडिकेट को मिला करके ही अपने वाक्य को यानी अपने सेंस को कंप्लीट करता है. रूल नंबर सेकेंड, प्रेडिकेट हैज two parts. Example, my sister cooks food. There is two part of predicate, cooks and food. Cooks is verb, means transitive verb. Food is object. So there is two parts of predicate, cooks and food. Cooks is verb, means transitive verb. What is transitive verb? My sister cooks food. मतलब in this sentence there is two part of predicate. Cooks food. Who cooks food? My sister. So my sister is subject. Cooks is verb, means transitive verb. Food is object. What is transitive verb? A verb which requires an object after it to complete itself is called transitive verb. Means इन ट्रांजिटिव वर्ब में ऑब्जेक्ट की आवश्यकता होती है, इन वर्ब के बाद ऑब्जेक्ट का प्रयोग किया जाता है. As you see in the example, Mohan writes a letter. Mohan is subject. Write is verb. Verb means transitive verb. A letter is predicate, means object. So there is two part of predicate, verb and object. ट्रांजिटिव वर्ब में वर्ब के बाद ऑब्जेक्ट का प्रयोग होता है और इंट्रांजिटिव में वर्ब के बाद कोई भी ऑब्जेक्ट नहीं होता है, इसलिए ट्रांजिटिव वर्ब के बाद हमेशा ऑब्जेक्ट का प्रयोग होता है. यानी वर्ब के बाद अगर ऑब्जेक्ट का प्रयोग होता है तो इसे ट्रांजिटिव वर्ब बोलते हैं. समटाइम्स ट्रांजिटिव वर्ब हैज टू ऑब्जेक्ट, direct object and indirect object. What is direct object? It is usually the name of something, means non-living things. यानी इनडायरेक्ट ऑब्जेक्ट जो है अक्सर नॉन लिविंग थिंग्स निर्जीव चीजों के लिए प्रयोग किया जाता है. इट इज यूज्ड आफ्टर इनडायरेक्ट ऑब्जेक्ट, यानी डायरेक्ट ऑब्जेक्ट जो है इनडायरेक्ट के बाद लिखा जाता है और ये नॉन लिविंग थिंग्स यानी निर्जीव वस्तुओं के लिए प्रयोग किया जाता है. हाउ वी फाइंड इनडायरेक्ट ऑब्जेक्ट? इफ वी एड व्हाट इन द वर्ब we can find the indirect objects. Examples: he gave me a book. He is subject. Gave is transitive verb. Me is indirect object. A book is direct object. So direct object is written after the indirect. यानी डायरेक्ट ऑब्जेक्ट जो है इनडायरेक्ट के बाद ही लिखा गया है. Example second, Sita told me a story. Told is transitive verb. Me is indirect object. A story is direct object. So direct object is written after indirect object. इनडायरेक्ट ऑब्जेक्ट जो है के बाद ही डायरेक्ट ऑब्जेक्ट लिखा जाता है, यानी डायरेक्ट ऑब्जेक्ट जो है इनडायरेक्ट के बाद लिखा जाता है. व्हाट इज इनडायरेक्ट ऑब्जेक्ट? इट इज यूजली द नेम ऑफ some person or personal pronoun. If we add which or whose in the word, we find the indirect object. It is also used before the indirect object. Indirect object is used before the direct object. यानी इनडायरेक्ट ऑब्जेक्ट जो है डायरेक्ट ऑब्जेक्ट के पहले यूज किया जाता है. एग्जाम्पल्स: मोहन गेव मी अ पेन. मोहन इज सब्जेक्ट, गेव इज ट्रांजिटिव वर्ब, मी इज इनडायरेक्ट ऑब्जेक्ट, अ पेन इज डायरेक्ट ऑब्जेक्ट. सो इनडायरेक्ट ऑब्जेक्ट इज रिटेन बिफोर द डायरेक्ट ऑब्जेक्ट. Example second: Mr. Sharma teaches us English. Teaches is verb, me, us is indirect object, English is direct object. So in this sentence, predicate has three parts. Gave me a pen. Gave is transitive verb, me indirect object, a pen is direct object. Teaches is transitive verb, us is indirect object, English is direct object. So it is clear with the following examples that there is three parts of predicate. Sometimes direct object can be living things. Means कभी कभी डायरेक्ट ऑब्जेक्ट जो होता है सजीव भी हो सकता है. एग्जाम्पल: ही गेव मी अ हैंड. गेव इज ट्रांजिटिव वर्ब, मी इज इनडायरेक्ट ऑब्जेक्ट, अ हैंड इज आल्सो लिविंग थिंग्स. मतलब इसमें इस एग्जाम्पल में हैंड भी क्या आपका है, सजीव है. सो कभी कभी डायरेक्ट ऑब्जेक्ट सजीव भी हो सकता है, एज यू सी इन द एग्जाम्पल. तो इन दिस सेंटेंस हैंड इज लिविंग थिंग्स. समटाइम्स वी कैन राइट डायरेक्ट एंड इनडायरेक्ट ऑब्जेक्ट चेंजिंग द प्लेस. यानी कभी कभी डायरेक्ट और इनडायरेक्ट ऑब्जेक्ट को चेंज करके, इनके स्थान को चेंज करके भी लिख सकते हैं. बट इफ वी चेंज द प्लेस, वी कैन यूज टू और फॉर बिफोर द इनडायरेक्ट ऑब्जेक्ट. यदि हम डायरेक्ट ऑब्जेक्ट और इनडायरेक्ट ऑब्जेक्ट को प्लेस को चेंज करते हैं तो हमें इनडायरेक्ट ऑब्जेक्ट के पहले टू या फॉर का प्रयोग करना पड़ता है. इट इज क्लियर विद द एग्जाम्पल: Mohan gave a pen to me. Gave is transitive verb, a pen is direct object, to me is indirect object. So indirect object is written after the direct object. यानी indirect object जो है डायरेक्ट ऑब्जेक्ट के बाद लिखा गया है. So we use to before the indirect object. Rule number 4: use of gerund. In this following examples, predicate has two parts, verb and object. Object is gerund. If we adding verb and gerund, we make a new word. Examples: Mohan likes shooting. Mohan is subject, likes is verb, shooting is object means gerund. If we add ing in the verb, it makes gerund. Second example, I hate smoking. I is subject, hate is verb. Smoking is gerund, means object. So it is clear there is two part of predicate, verb and object gerund. Rule number 5. Use of infinitive. There is two part of predicate, verb and infinitive. Infinitive object. Examples: they want to swim. They is subject, want is verb. To swim is infinitive, means object. Children like to play. Children is subject, like is verb. To play is object, infinitive. मतलब इस एग्जाम्पल में want and like is verb, to swim and to play is infinitive object. यानी ऑब्जेक्ट के पे ही इंफिनिटिव का प्रयोग किया गया है और इंफिनिटिव हमेशा वर्ब के पहले टू लगाने से बनता है. रूल नंबर 6. देयर इज 3 पार्ट ऑफ प्रेडिकेट: वर्ब, ऑब्जेक्ट, नाउन और नाउन फ्रेज. इस एग्जाम्पल में के द्वारा मैं एक्सप्रेस करती हूँ. देयर आर 3 पार्ट ऑफ प्रेडिकेट: elected Mohan, manager. Elected is verb, Mohan is object, manager is noun. Second example, the people elected him their leader. The people is subject, elected verb, him object. It is indirect object. Their leader is noun, complement. There is 3 part of predicate, verb, object, complement, noun or noun phrase. So manager is noun and their leader is noun phrase. So it is clear for the above example. Predicate has 3 parts: verb, object, complement. Complement has 3 parts. Rule number 7. There is 3 part of predicate: verb, object and complement. Complement has also 3 parts: adjective, adjective phrase or past participle. There is 3 part of predicate, means complement has 3 parts: adjective, adjective phrase or past participle. Examples: I think my servant very sincere. I is subject, think is verb. My servant is object, very sincere is adjective phrase. So there is 3 part of predicate. Second example, he thought it difficult. He is subject, thought is verb, it is object. He thought it difficult. He is subject, thought is verb, it is object, difficult is adjective. Example third, his reply made me displeased. His reply is subject, made is verb, me is object, displeased is past participle. So there is 3 part of complement, adjective, adjective phrase or past participle. मतलब इस एग्जाम्पल में कंप्लीमेंट के 3 पार्ट हुए, वर्ब, ऑब्जेक्ट एंड कंप्लीमेंट। रूल नंबर 8, देयर इज आल्सो 2 पार्ट ऑफ predicate, verb and complement noun. Example, this is a table. This is subject. Is verb. A table is complement noun. Second example, I am a teacher. I is subject. Am is verb. A teacher is complement noun. Rule number 9. There is also 2 part of predicate, verb and complement adjective. Example, Mohan is dull. Mohan is subject, is verb, and dull is complement adjective. So there is 2 part of predicate, is and dull. Is verb or dull is complement adjective. Second example, Sohan was intelligent. Sohan is subject, was is verb, intelligent is complement adjective. So स्टूडेंट, आज का टॉपिक यहीं पे फिनिश होता है। मेरा नेक्स्ट टॉपिक होगा सब्जेक्ट एंड प्रेडिकेट, यानी क्या सब्जेक्ट है और क्या प्रेडिकेट है, इसके बारे में मैं स्ट्रक्चर के माध्यम से आपको एक्सप्लेन करूंगी। थैंक यू।